Beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. Today, I will share with you how to plan your day. First of all, start the night before. What do you need to do tomorrow to meet your needs? This is important. Create a beautiful morning routine. Many people start their days with movement, for example, meditation, yoga, qigong. This is my kind of starting morning, quiet time, or reading also, or journaling sometimes. Also, brain dump. Get your ideas out of your head and onto paper. This is also my kind of stuff. Review the big picture. What are your current projects and which one are the most important? Also, review your daily list. Sometimes it is too long. Estimate the time it will take to complete each task. Also, work your list. Batch tasks that are similar for optimum efficiency, and finish each day with a 10 minutes meditating. What you can do now to set up your spaces and routines for both beauty and efficiency. Also, pick a weekly prep day. Get the house cleaned, meal plan and prep, and review your calendar for the week ahead. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share with me your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next episode and have a lovely day.